Here we are reporting about Big Blue.
Big Blue.
This is Big Blue.
Big Blue.
Mr. Davis, care to comment about Big Blue?
Big Blue is the best truck ever.
Do you want a matches?
It want a crutches. Big Blue. Want a crutches, not matches. This Big Blue want a gallon of gas higher and a matches, and we light it. We're gonna get a push starter now. And Big Blue now rasta.
Push. Push, John, push.
Blood that you weapon, I will have to push the truck in the system. I get truck grease. No, took it at now, wait. Took it now. Hold on. Hold it ladder. That's how old I am. You do have more man for. Hold it ladder. Come on, don't stop, man. Hold that tab up. One man. Run it. Run it. I'm going to start run. That's a blood clot. We're tired. Blood clot. No, come before I show you. No, man. We're tired of that start to blood. No, man. Hey, it's fucking me now.
Boom, boom, this is my idiot friend, Bernard Law. Eh?
Man, I make a video of me. No, man. Yeah. I'm like fucker, man. Ready, player? Yo, I'm tired. Ready, brother? Oh my God! All right, come, go. Hold the line. Make a run, boss. Make a run.
Mr. Mills, say something for YouTube. Mr. Davis, say something for YouTube. Say something for YouTube.
Hi YouTube, how are you? Yeah, I'm tired. Nah, man. No, man. Blue truck that. You know, so I'm blue truck. They don't have the blue truck in another. See a truck down the road already. Ready. Like a trouble truck. So wait, I'm going to truck. Ready, we're funny.
Oh, Frankie ugly.
Who wants to run, man?
Hey brother, you know some friend Frankie ugly.
Is that me take off your glasses look better, you know?
Take off your glasses.
Take off my glasses, I can see.
Take off your glasses. Baby, take off your glasses now.
Oh, you take your man, yeah. You too, we're there for enough.